Welcome to Best Friend Day. I'm going to take a look while Elsie is doing mine.
Whoa.
I'm going to take a look while Elsie is
What?
that way.
Okay. Let's do it.
I want to try going up that hill.
Okay. Hey. Friend. Wait for me. What's that?
I wanted to wait because I'm trying to go slower, but I'm trying to go faster. I want to go faster. I'm going
You want to go fast, but going up a hill is kind of hard?
yeah.
Yeah.
Or because I have to go slow.
That's true.
And when I go downhill,
So how did you learn to ride a bike? In case,
Well,
because maybe not
I
everyone.
used like one training wheel, and then Daddy taught me to like lean on that side, the one that didn't have it, right?
Yeah.
To practice on that.
Use 2 training wheels, then you use 1 training wheel,
And then I used 0.
then you use 0.
Oh, looks like Kanana just got back from the store. Okay,
We're gonna take
I
it.
show them their house,
Maybe.
like the whole house,
Maybe.
because they only saw the main floor, remember?
Okay.
So I want to show them.
Why don't we ask if it's okay if we can do that?
Yeah, let's go ask. And since they have really good snacks, I wish you could live here. But sorry, there's
Okay.
Okay, so this is my grandparents' house. And first we're going to show you the whole house. Well, first we're going to start downstairs, so take your shoesies off. Daddy, take your shoes off.
Okay.
And Vloggy.
Yep.
Now let's go down. Why is the light not on? Oh, here's the light.
It doesn't work.
No, I'm going to put it here. This is for my Nanavi, where she doesn't fall down the stairs.
That's right.
Because he got the broken arm. That's really bad.
Okay.
It was really dark, and then she thought this was the hallway, and then she just fell down the stairs. Because it was really dark. I try to hang on to both at the same time. Now I go away. I'll turn the lights on. It's better than with the lights on. There we go. So this is the room. This is the downstairs room. And follow me. We got Papa's favorite hiding spot.
When you play hide and seek.
Yeah. Okay. is this pitch black? Pitch black. I'm not doing this too. Okay, I'm going to show you something really special that Papa and Nana keep secret.
Whoa.
A secret layer.
A secret lair.
I want to transform this into something.
Yeah. I wonder what that could be.
It's like a secret hideout for us only. We could play in there all day. That would be fun. Yeah. I'm gonna ask Nana something after we're done. Well, when we have sleepovers here and we need it, and we go to the bathroom here, or when we're playing downstairs. So me and Elsie sleep on this bed together, and Nana sleeps on this bed because we're still a little scared.
That's right.
And there's the closet. But we have a suitcase. Okay, this is the whole downstairs. But those 3 rooms, those 2, we don't need to show them. It's really nothing. Hey, Nana.
Yeah.
You know that secret room inside your room?
Yeah.
Like inside the downstairs
Yeah.
secret room? We could transform it into something.
We probably could. Like
Yeah.
a special place.
Yeah, a secret layer.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Or a secret room.
Yeah, we'd have to figure out how we could get in there because it's kind of hard.
Yeah.
Need a ladder or something.
Maybe maybe you could buy like a bunk bed on a ladder and then you could put it there so you could climb
Yeah.
up it.
Yeah, we'll look
And
into that.
And it could be parent size suit too so it doesn't break.
Right. Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, and it can be made out of wood. That's like ice.
All
But it
right.
has to be pink. That's like mine.
Oh.
Okay, want to show them the rest?
Sure. Okay, this is one room. Okay, follow me.
You gonna go to the garage? Okay.
This is the Echo room. Say Echo.
Echo.
Doggy. Go slow. Here's the other bathroom. Yeah, this one doesn't have a light at all. It does, but I like it off. It's better off. Oh, I did not see this hurt before. Where did you get that hurt?
From Aunt Joni.
I did not see that hurt before. This is the bear room. And that's their pet dog.
What about the kitchen and the sunroom? Gotta show that.
Sunroom is
Want to show them the rocks you painted?
Oh, yeah. Some was Nana's. This is Nana's.
Mm-hmm. Which,
But I
do you know
painted that.
which one did you do?
I did this, 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 this.
What does that one say? What does
This.
one of them say?
I forgot. Your best. That's all I know. I did this, 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 and that. That's
Great.
all. That's all I did, and then some 2 are Nana's, and then the rest are Elsie's. Because this, is that yours or Elsie's?
Yeah, I did it for you.
It's for me?
Yeah.
I get to give
Yes. Can you read what it says?
No.
It says, shine your light.
Can you bring this over?
You can take it home.
Yay. Why do you have blocks?
That helps me when I have to sand some furniture. Sometimes I paint furniture. And I put the sandpaper around it. And it makes good to do that.
Oh.
Why don't you show them the plant room where all the plants are and the sun? Think they'd like that?
Sure.
Okay.
The sun is really bright. I don't think they can see it, but I'll try.
Okay.
This is Elsie. Elsie always talks like she's a baby. She has baby fingers. And she has baby toes. And she also has baby teeth. And she
Show them the
talks.
games that we have that you play, or
I don't want to play them. Don't.
All right. Anything else you want to say to the viewers about
What
this house?
else? What else?
Oh, you were wondering about SpongeBob, I thought.
Do you like SpongeBob?
he's okay.
But do you like
She's asking the viewers, so they're supposed to comment down below if they like SpongeBob.
I do not know if they like SpongeBob. Like, that's my favorite show on my iPad. And if I get a big girl iPad, I get Prime, and Prime has SpongeBob on it.
Well, I don't know.
Yes, it does. I went on Prime one day, and it had SpongeBob on it,
Okay.
on the TV. Wait, do I have any Bucky? Do I? Yes, I do. Here. Oh.
What's that?
Ah.
Just
Hee
use the
ha.
pocket.
Ha.
All right. Well, I'm gonna end this part of the video. Okay. We'll pick it up when you
I want
finish
to
your.
touch all the plants and see what they feel like. Okay, all I need to do, we're gonna put my helmet on. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Do you want to know why my papa wasn't there? He works at South Basin Army. He shares blood to save people's lives. So if anybody is in a car accident, they get to share blood, and it hopefully it will save their lives. Right?
Right. But I think today he's just helping with the food shelf there. idea. Okay.
And sometimes it's too cold. You have to stay in the sun.
Good job.
Oh shit. I'm thirsty. Hey, why did you bring a drink and I didn't?
Yeah, I just brought my coffee. You don't like that.
Ooh, that's going to win. Now you got a little shine. I got this bike from a garage sale, and Elsie's looks like it's older, and mine doesn't even look like it's old.
Yeah, we got your bike at a garage sale.
But it's been a long time ago.
Long time ago in Plymouth.
Yeah, and it doesn't even look like it has any like scratches, anything. Like Elsie's is way dirtier than mine. It's weird. But Dad,
That's right.
why do you need stuff like that on your driveway if it's just a little bump?
I don't know.
Oh, it's for up the hill.
All right, what do you want to say to end?
Thanks for watching. Bye.